In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an interactive task list. This is a simple and effective way to make your spreadsheet feel much more organized and practical. By the end, you'll have a task list where you can check off completed items, and those completed tasks will automatically appear crossed out and dimmed. That makes it much easier to see what still needs your attention at a glance. To begin, set up your headers in the first row of your sheet. In row 1, type the labels for each column you want to use. A common setup would be status, task, and due date. The status column is where your checkboxes will go. The task column will contain the actual items you need to complete. And the due date column helps you keep track of deadlines. Keeping your headers clear and simple will make the list easier to read and maintain over time. Next, add checkboxes to the status column. Click and drag to select the empty cells under your status header where you want the checkboxes to appear. Then go to the top menu, click Insert, and choose Checkbox. You should immediately see a checkbox appear in each selected cell. This gives you a quick visual way to mark tasks as complete without typing anything manually. Once the checkboxes are in place, the next step is to apply formatting to your task rows so completed items stand out differently. Highlight all of the task rows you want this rule to affect. This usually means selecting the area that contains your tasks and related information, not just the checkbox column. By doing this, the formatting can apply across the full row, making the completed task easier to recognize. Now open the conditional formatting settings. In the top menu, click Format. Then Conditional Formatting. In the panel that appears, look for the Format Rules section and change the rule type to Custom Formula is. In the Formula field, enter equals $A, 2, equals true, assuming your checkboxes are in column A. This tells the sheet to look at the checkbox in column A for each row and trigger the formatting whenever that box is checked. Finally, under Formatting Style, turn on Strike-Through and choose a muted gray text color. Then click Done. Now, whenever you check a box in the status column, the corresponding task row will automatically appear crossed out and faded. It's a clean, interactive way to manage your to-do list and quickly track progress.